So hi, this is Hans again. So we have the recap here of September the 4th. This will be a very short video hopefully, and because I did only 3 trades and I only show those 3 trades, all the rest was not relevant for me because either the candles were not correct or the line was not correct. In that case, I like to stick to my plan. I go from the bands with the candles, color candles and the colored line in the same color. And to answer MT's question, today I did enter with the mom. As you can see, this is exactly my enter spot, 9:31:18. This is just after the OB happened. That's that one down here. Drop. That's the OB. That's the one when it dropped here. And now we are exactly here, and I'm going to let it run. That takes 1 minute. The next one takes 2 minutes, and the one after takes 3 minutes. So we are back to normal, even though today we didn't have a lot of trades, but that's not the point here. I like to say a special thanks to MM one time for showing me her setup, because for me that's the best one and I'm sticking to it, and it gives me the pips I like. I like to say thank you to Jasvan, because without your patience, with all the work you do for us, I would not be here, even though I'm already 9 years in the room. 9 years, can you imagine? Hell spells. Anyway, so let's start with it, alright? This one we don't need, it goes away by itself. And yeah, that trade, like I said, at 9:32 it's over. We're going to go a little bit faster here. So that's it already. 9:32:52. At 52 I got out. At 9:32:52. So we can just watch that here. 52, I'm gone out. The TP was reached. So far, hang on a second. Oh, now we watch 52. That here, okay. Here I got out. TP reached. I don't need to put that in. We can see it here. Now we switch to the next trade. That was a down trade at 10:13. I'm going to jump a little bit because it takes too long otherwise. Okay, we now at the second trade. That's a down trade. That's from here. You can see here's the band. We don't have any signal here at the moment, but we have on the tick chart the yellow and the red, and we have moms. I could actually go in at 24 seconds, but I got in at 29 seconds, so my reaction was 5 seconds too late, but I still made a nice pip, so let it run. Here is my entry. Here is my entry. We have moms. So MT, today I took all my trades with moms because I didn't like the whole freaking things, because with all the blues and everything, we didn't really know, and especially with this daily super pink here and the blue, I was not really sure what's gonna happen today, so I took it with the moms, and that trade is over after 2 minutes in 10:15. I make it a little bit faster. 10:15:36. Hey, 10:15:30. 10:15:30 was here. 10:15:30 we reach already the TP, and the trade went much fast, much more down. But I played my game and I stick to my plan until I earn money. I can do it like Jasvan said. You know, I can do it differently. I just show you this one here to see what's happening. It goes more down and more down and more down and more down until we get that blue here. Okay, and I am not the one who's jumping in. Actually my entry was here, like Jasvan also said before. That was the entry which is that entry over here with the mums, and that was just perfect for me. So let's see where that new blue is coming. Here is the new blue, so we're actually over here, so we can jump to the next trade. That is happening at 10:45. I will jump a little bit. Okay, we are at 10:45, 04. I let it run. I actually got in at 30 because I got in because of the flip down 5-minute BB band, and Jasper also said he was waiting for the moms, and then explaining what can happen here. I could have gone in here, but I was not sure really, and I was waiting a little bit. I got in at 45.30, so I will stop there. Here I went in because now we got also the blue here, but the blue was there, I think. The white came here, we have the combo, so that was a good thing for me to get in, even though here we are above the 15 well, we are above the 5 well, and above the 1 well, but the 4 is, and this is a giant. You notice that this is a little bit awkward here, but anyways, I took that trade. It takes 3 minutes and then it's over. 48, 42. I let it run until my TP is reached, so I don't need to mark the TPs because I just went with the TP today. 48, 30, 42. At 42, that's when at 42, that is when my TP was reached. And I thought, oh, the BB band goes up. This comes green already. Oh yeah. But it worked. So that thing did work together with this one here. It worked. Of course, there. 42 is gone. 42, I reached my TP, and it still goes down. And let's see how far it goes. It goes until here, and then we get a signal here, and then it goes up again. Yeah, and then the rest we know already. We were all there, and then it really started to be silly. And this is this part here, and here I didn't do anything. First of all, this trade here I did not take because we were not the BBs, and somebody could argue that you could take this trade here and that you could take this trade here, but this was before the OB, so for me, no way. Here there was we had a little red here, and we had a signal here, so that could be taken down. And if you really want, this could have been taken down as well. But me, no, I stick to my plan. And I hope you don't mind that I just showed you these 3 moves today. And if you like, I can show you the next time all the moves which is happening in that place. But then the video will go too long. Thank you very much, everybody. And I'll see you tomorrow in NFP.